Is there a mysterious planet between Mars and Jupiter? NASA's recent discovery might confirm this hypothesis. As far back as the 18th century, scientists hypothesized the existence of an unknown planet in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. But what new evidence has NASA discovered, and does this planet actually exist? In the 18th century, German astronomers Johann Titius and Johann Bode developed a mathematical rule suggesting the existence of another planet. This idea, based on mathematical calculations, became known as the Titius-Bode law. According to this rule, there should be a planet where the asteroid belt is now. In the 19th century, this theory led to an intense search for the missing planet. But only one object was found, Ceres. The diameter of this body in the asteroid belt is about 940 kilometers, large enough to be almost round due to its gravity. But is Ceres really the missing planet? Recent calculations suggest that it is not. A much larger object should have been in this location. A careful new analysis of planetary orbits and modern astronomical research has provided evidence that there indeed should have been a planet between Mars and Jupiter. Since the discovery of the asteroid belt, there have been speculations about its true nature. Could the numerous pieces in this belt be the remnants of a larger planet? Asteroid belt or debris field? Millions of objects in this region are likely held together by Jupiter's gravitational pull, preventing them from scattering across the solar system. The objects in the asteroid belt range from tiny dust particles to larger bodies like the dwarf planet Ceres. However, Ceres is an exception. Most asteroids are irregularly shaped and vary in size from a few meters to kilometers and more. Initial evidence that these are not just asteroids, but planetary fragments came when scientists closely examined the region. They found a chaotic distribution and a large amount of material in the asteroid belt. Computer modeling showed that the distribution of pieces does indeed indicate a possible catastrophe. But what could have been powerful enough to destroy an entire planet? Several theories explain the possible causes of the planet's destruction. One suggests a massive collision with another planetary body or a large asteroid. Such collisions were more frequent in the early solar system. Another theory points to gravitational perturbation, capable of breaking the planet into fragments. Interaction with the gravity of a large object passing through the solar system could have led to the planet's destruction. However, the analysis of the composition of various asteroids in the belt shows that these bodies have different origins and formation histories, which argues against the single destroyed planet theory. Most asteroids consist of a mixture of silicate rocks, metals, and organic materials, and some contain ice. Recent NASA calculations have suggested that the rocks between Mars and Jupiter are building blocks of a planet that never formed. According to this theory, the existing mass should have formed a planet, but forces, likely related to Jupiter's gravity, prevented this process. Computer modeling showed that much of the primordial mass could have flown into the Sun or ended up in the Kuiper belt. Ceres, the largest dwarf planet in the asteroid belt, was discovered on January 1, 1801 by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi. Initially considered a planet, it was later reclassified as a dwarf planet. NASA's Dawn spacecraft, which orbited Ceres from 2015 to 2018, found evidence of water, organic materials, and possibly a subsurface ocean. Ceres, a unique celestial body. Ceres is a unique celestial body containing not only water in the form of ice, but also potential reserves of liquid water beneath its surface. Some scientists even speculate that its interior might harbor conditions for microbial life. Dawn's research revealed bright spots on Ceres' surface, believed to be salts brought up from the interior ocean, indicating an active geological history. Thinking about this, I can't help but wonder how much more we have yet to discover about our cosmic neighbor. The asteroid belt, long considered just a collection of rocks and dust, is full of surprises and mysteries. Ceres could hold the key to understanding many processes that occurred in the early solar system. Studying it could provide answers to questions about the origin of water on Earth, how planets formed, and even what conditions are necessary for the emergence of life. But with all this, many questions remain unresolved. For instance, what caused the geological activity on Ceres? How did the bright spots in the Asteroid crater form, and what is their exact nature? And most importantly, does Ceres have a liquid ocean deep within, and if so, what forms of life might inhabit it? Given all these mysteries and possibilities, I can't help but ask, what other astounding discoveries await us in the solar system and beyond? Perhaps the most exciting adventure is just beginning. What do you think? What secrets might other small bodies in our solar system hold? The question of the origin and evolution of Ceres continues to captivate scientists. Its geological activity, presence of water, and organic materials make it one of the most intriguing targets for further research in our solar system. Ceres is not only the largest body in the asteroid belt, but also one of the most mysterious. Its surface is covered with numerous craters, mountains, and other geological structures, indicating a complex history. One of Ceres' most notable features is Ahunamans, a large ice volcano. This discovery suggests that cryovolcanic activity might occur beneath Ceres' surface, where water mixed with salts and other volatile substances erupts onto the surface. Moreover, the bright spots on Ceres, such as those in the Asteroid crater, have sparked much speculation. These spots likely consist of carbonates and other salts, indicating the past or present presence of liquid water. This discovery makes Ceres even more interesting in the search for potential extraterrestrial life. Studies of Ceres also help scientists understand the processes that occurred in the early solar system. The asteroid belt serves as a sort of archive, preserving materials and conditions that existed more than 4.5 billion years ago. By studying Ceres and other bodies in the asteroid belt, scientists can gain important insights into the formation and evolution of planets. Ceres remains an important target for future missions. One possible mission could involve sending a robotic probe to drill into its surface and explore its subsurface layers. This would help determine if there is a liquid ocean beneath Ceres' surface and what conditions exist there. Thus, the study of Ceres and the asteroid belt as a whole opens up new horizons in our understanding of the formation and evolution of planetary systems. Science continues to advance, and perhaps in the near future, we will learn even more about the mysteries of Ceres and other bodies in the solar system. Subscribe to the channel to not miss out on exciting discoveries and new research that will help us better understand our place in the universe. Ceres is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating objects in our solar system. Its unique geological features and presence of water open up many possibilities for future research and perhaps even the discovery of life forms that can exist in extreme conditions. Reflecting on this, I can't help but marvel at how much more we have yet to learn about our cosmic neighbor. The asteroid belt, long considered merely a collection of rocks and dust, is full of surprises and mysteries. Ceres might be the key to understanding many processes that occurred in the early solar system. Studying it could provide answers to questions about the origin of water on Earth, how planets form, and even what conditions are necessary for life to emerge. However, many unresolved questions remain. For instance, what caused the geological activity on Ceres? How did the bright spots in Asteroid crater form, and what exactly are they? And most importantly, is there a liquid ocean beneath the surface of Ceres, and if so, what forms of life might exist there? In light of all these mysteries and possibilities, I can't help but wonder, what other amazing discoveries await us in the solar system and beyond? Perhaps the most exciting adventure is just beginning. What do you think? What secrets do other small bodies in our solar system hold?